Mihela, today we talk about a beautiful bird that is found in a small part of Sri Lanka. The yellow-footed green pigeon. The yellow-footed green pigeon, also known as the yellow-legged green pigeon, is a common species of green pigeon. Brightly colored pigeon with significant regional variation. Found in the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. Look for a grey shoulder strap and yellow legs. Male and female are similar. Found in lowland forest and forest edge, as well as parks, gardens and orchards. A common urban bird in much of its South Asian range. They forage in flocks. In the early morning, they are often seen sunning on tops of emergent trees in dense forest areas. Their calls are like locally named Seepadu Bata Goya. I have not seen the yellow-footed green pigeon. Pidurangala Rock, located next to the Sigiriya Rock, offers one stunning view of the Sigiriya Rock and its surrounding wilderness. This is a very popular attraction among tourists.